somewhere in North Carolina. I'll just say that the rest of the day. From somewhere in North Carolina. So we're getting out of here. Like in 10 minutes. We're gonna go get this load delivered. 6 hours to get there. So enjoy today. Thanks for coming back. We're at 508 subscribers last time I looked. So anyways, I don't know what's gonna happen today, but we're gonna go for the gusto and hopefully get an 8-hour break while we're there, so I can get another 300 miles in today, or a couple hundred, and then I should be fine. I hope. Get off this night shift crap would be nice, but it ain't happened yet. So anyways, probably not gonna get out of North Carolina today, but you never know. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. So we're gonna hammer it down to where we gotta go. Try to keep our speed up there, and then try to make our way to where we gotta go without getting lost. So getting everything set here. Yeah, because I need my Bluetooth on, so my Google Maps will pretty much take me in there. Hopefully. I'm hoping. So that is on. The Google, my Bluetooth is on, because my navigation in my truck still is not working. Oh, now we gotta freeze up here. Oh lordy, it froze. Can't make up its mind, can it? But anyways, that's our plan. So we're gonna go out the 40 and then pick up the 60 US 64 out to where we gotta go. Talupo or something, Toledo. Who knows what the name is. We're gonna go back to 77 is our return trip, up to 77 to Ohio, and then cut across the 70 in Ohio to get out to Rochelle. We'll pick up 74 in Indianapolis, and then the 39 in Illinois, and that'll put us right in Rochelle. I don't even know how many hours I got left for the week. Probably not enough. I haven't even looked at that yet. 25 hours.
You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
Pretty much gonna have to do a reset in Rochelle. To do anything. Maybe. We'll see. Anyways, enjoy today's vlog, and we'll see you soon, alright? Try to get out of here is gonna be the key question. We ready? Randy's gonna start talking. Randy's gonna start talking to us. Would you hurry up? Yes, I'm moving out if you get out of my way. If I can get out of here without taking somebody's nose off. Wait, don't park like that, people.
Turn left onto the I-40 East ramp.
Oh, Andy's talking to us.
Head southwest on Sugar Hill Road toward Providence Church Road. Turn left onto the I-40 East ramp.
Andy's talking to us.
You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 3:11 a.m.
3:11, huh? Doubt that. Be nice.
Continue on Sugar Hill Road for 1 mile.
Swing wide, it's a trailer. I think that's the way we gotta go back. 40 east, 40 east, 40 east, 40 east. Same way we got off.
Head southwest on Sugar Hill Road toward Providence Church Road. Turn left onto the I-40 East ramp.
Turn left. Andy says turn left.
In 600 feet, merge onto I-40 East.
I-40 East. Got this memorized in my head, right? See? Ah, no traffic like yesterday. Thank goodness for that.
Continue on I-40 East for 114 miles.
114 miles. Okay. We'll see you in 114 miles. Coming up on a scale house. Are they aware or no? Find out. Old Mountain Road. They have a free pass. Looks close to me. What it's saying, so turn left here. Looks like I might be able to do my 8-hour break here too. You have arrived at your destination. We're about an hour and a half early, but you know what? I didn't want to fight the traffic. See, they're gonna let me park there and I'll finish out my 8-hour split. We're reloading right here too, so I think I can park right here and be out of the way. Let's see. Park. Park right next to me. You have arrived. I'll park right here. Figure it out. You have arrived is what they say. I want to block the diesel tank. Yes, in the sleeper, that way we can go check in, I guess, since we're early. We'll see you soon. So we got a door. A door. Turn on our flashies and see if we can get around these poles without taking the trailer out. Yeah, I think I can do my 8 here. And then we'll get going. So I think what about 11:30 we can go again. Get a good nap in. I'm tired. That's all I want to do is nap. It's a long trip over here. I usually don't come out this far anymore. So the time I get back, I'll have about 6,000 miles in for the next pay period. Maybe 7. Maybe 7. Maybe 7. A miracle. A miracle. You really work on that fuel bonus too. I gotta make sure I keep my idle time down. Yard dog behind me, I don't know what he's doing. scales lined up and go open the door. I didn't remember I had the lock back there. Alright, we'll be back. Time to back it up after we restart the truck. See if I can back up today. Pretty yard dogs. Truck right there too, Tyson. Tyson must have been a dropping hook. Later, we're reloaded and getting out of here. Probably gonna have to fight some traffic.
You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 1:20 p.m. In 400 feet, turn right onto Sarah Lee Road.
Sarah Lee Road. That's what she said. So we got 6 hours and 23 minutes of remaining drive time. Could have done another 2 hours.
Turn right onto Sarah Lee Road.
So we're gonna go this way. Get out of here. We are loaded and
You have 6 hours and 23 minutes of remaining drive time.
That's what she said, alright. 6 hours, 23 minutes of remaining drive time. Wait for traffic to come out. Back on the 64, back on the 540, back on the 40, up to 74, to the 77. Oh lordy, that's a lot of talking to do, huh? Waiting. Traffic to come out of nowhere. Hopefully traffic won't be that bad.
Continue on Sarah Lee Road for 1.5 miles.
Leaving North Carolina, we'll probably still be in the state by the end of the day, or Virginia, one of two. Somewhere in there. Our parking situation ain't gonna be any good. Well, we'll try. We gotta get fuel in about 122 miles. We gotta top off the tank again. See you soon, alright? Well, the scale's open, but we got the green light, so I'm just gonna green right on through. Going right on through. Which is alright with me. Repass, the only way to time I get this day done, we're gonna stop here at Ohio River.
Take exit 150, then turn right onto Jimmy Kerr Road.
I gotta get some petrol. Gotta get some diesel down on a quarter of a tank, then we'll drive. We'll figure it out here in a bit. And we'll drive on down to
Turn right onto Jimmy Kerr Road. Signs for green level.
try to get up to Virginia if we can. And we're gonna stop down here at the Flying J and get some diesel out. Looks like they're
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
on the left. Not easy to get into. Looks like they're putting a new pilot in. So got another mom and pop truck stop. Good job, pilot Flying J. You bunch of idiots. Yeah, this place looks busy. All I gotta do is get some fuel and then I'm gonna run in and get my drink real quick.
We should have went to the other driveway.
Get some fuel. This doesn't take long. Come on, stupid E-Log. Don't tell me you froze up again. I think froze up on me earlier today. Hey, everybody wants to get diesel at the same time. Ain't that just lovely? I don't think the reefer needs any, but we'll find out here in a minute. Then you got TMC that didn't know how to park in the fuel island. Might not be able to reach my tanks. Come on, move up. Jesus Christ. We're gonna get some fuel. We'll be back.
Don't cover me till you tossed on the waves. When the darkness comes, feel the pain, but I still believe through the cold, through the heat, through the rain, through the tears, through the crowds, through the tears.
to Mount Airy, North Carolina. I haven't been to this flying, well, it wasn't the Flying J ever last time I was here, but yeah, we are at the Flying J, the 7477 in North Carolina, Mount Airy. We're gonna fly up to 77, go pick up the 35, and head into Ohio that way. I'm gonna try to make, I got 2 channels, that's amazing. I'm gonna try to make Bloomington, Illinois tomorrow. We'll see how the day goes. I'm gonna get his 2 channels. They're probably not gonna come in. If they do, I'll be surprised.
Since 1992,
wow.
The trekking industry in North Carolina has partnered with Reefs Across America.
Reefs Across America.
Fallen,
Good thing, yeah.
And teach the next generation.
Anyways,
please
we're gonna
join the North Carolina trekking industry and discover how you can bestow a wreath.
North Carolina. North Carolina! I wish I could move here. I like it here. This is where I would go if I could have change in my life and wanted to get away from the Northwest like I always have. Oh wait, I already tried to move here once. This is where I disappeared for 2 years. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee. I kind of stayed in this area when I worked for Palmer. Kept me in this area, down to Florida and back. Because we used to have a terminal down in Florida before they all went downhill. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed today. I know it seemed kind of long. We started at 11 last night. Got there at 3:30 in the morning, did an 8-hour split, took off again at 11:30, and we got here about 3:30, 4:30. So I got a couple hours nap in there. I ate dinner, Chanel, mate. Yeah, over 8 probably. Country fried steak, mashed potatoes, corn, and cornbread. So anyways, I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to end this vlog. You heard me, right? I'm going to end it. We're like 518 on subscribers, or 511. Good job, people. Thanks for subscribing. Anyways, y'all have a good night. Y'all be safe. Give us trucker space, and God bless you all. And good night, my family. We'll see you tomorrow when we get out of here, alright? Try to get up at 4 and get going, 3, 4, somewhere in there. Anyways, night. Valley Night Fest. Here we go. It's tunnel time. If you don't get that anymore.